In this video, we'll show you how to log back in and resume your training after logging out. The great thing is, our system automatically tracks your progress, so you'll pick up right where you left off. And remember, you have 90 days from your purchase date to complete your course, giving you plenty of time to finish at your own pace. The first step is to go to our website at LIQUORexam.com. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the blue Login button. On the sign-in page, enter your email address and password. Next, check the box to complete the CAPTCHA verification. Finally, click the blue Login button to access your account. After logging in, you'll land on your profile page. At the top right, you'll see your name, and by default, you'll be on the My Courses tab. Here you'll find your course listed with a blue button that says Click to Start. If you've already begun your training and return later, the system will save your progress. In that case, the button will say Click to Resume, and you'll see your progress displayed as a percentage for the lecture portion of the course. Now you've learned how to log in and resume your training on LIQUORexam.com. Thank you for choosing LIQUORexam.com for your hospitality compliance training needs. We're proud to support you and your team in building knowledge, confidence, and compliance in the workplace. From all of us at LIQUORexam.com, best of luck in your training and your career, and remember, we're always here when you need us.